In this segment, we're going to talk about a couple of the nuances around the Trade Finder settings. Okay, so you can see here, looking at the Trade Finder, that I have a proximity of 2 for this one asset. So when you actually go in to edit, first of all, let me show you how to edit an individual asset. What you'll do is somewhere under one of the Trade Finder settings, you will just have to click and see it says Edit ADZ21. So you can actually go in and edit and change the settings just for that specific asset. So maybe I wanted a better risk to reward on that one, or let's just change the proximity so we can actually see what happens when we go and change the proximity on everything. So that'll have to load. Okay, so you can see that now this one is also set to 2. So if I go up here to Studies, Edit All Studies, what you'll see is that proximity will be blank, and that's because there are different proximity values. We have values of 2 and 3. So what if I try to put a 3 in here? Can I override these 2s by putting a 3 here? So now you can see when we change the settings for all, it did override the ones that were not originally set at 3. The ones that were set at 2 were changed back to 3. So that's a quick and easy way for you to get all your settings in sync should you need to do that.